नमस्कार। आज देखते हैं हाई कोर्ट एग्जाम हिमाचल प्रदेश द्वारा कंडक्ट करवाया गया था 16/5/2025 को। आज हम इसकी क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच कंट्री होस्टेड द 2022 फीफा वर्ल्ड कप? ऑप्शन ए, राइट आंसर कतर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, वेयर इज द हेडक्वार्टर ऑफ द यूनाइटेड नेशंस? ऑप्शन डी इज द राइट आंसर न्यूयॉर्क। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, which is the largest desert in the world? Option D, Sahara. Question number 4, which country is not a G7 member? Option D is right answer, India. सभी जानते हैं कि इंडिया इसका मेंबर नहीं है। इसके जो मेंबर है वो कौन कौन से है? कनाडा है, फ्रांस, जर्मनी, इटली, जापान, यूके और यूएस। India is not a permanent member of the G7 nation. The country has been invited to attend the summit several times over the year starting 2003. Question number 5. Who is the current UN Secretary General? Option B, Antonio Guterres is the right answer. Question number 6. Which tree separates Europe and Asia? एशिया और यूरोप को जो अलग करती है वो कौन सी है? बोस्पोरस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, विच ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मॉनिटर्स ग्लोबल हेल्थ? ऑप्शन ए, WHO इज द राइट आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, विच कंट्री हैज द मोस्ट नोबेल प्राइज विनर? ऑप्शन डी, USA। विच कंट्री रिसेंटली exited the European Union? Option A is the right answer, UK. Question number 10, which is cited as the longest river in the world? Option D is the right answer, Nile. Question number 11, which country is known as the land of the rising sun? Japan. Question number 12, which city is home to the European Union headquarters? Brussels is the right answer. Question number 13, the smallest planet in the solar system is? Option B is right answer, Mercury. Question number 14, the Eiffel Tower is located in which country? France. Question number 15, which country is the largest by land area? Russia. Question number 16, under which article can the President of India declare a national emergency? Article 32. Article 352. Okay, B is the right answer, Article 352. Question number 17, who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 18, which constitution amendment introduced the anti-defection law? 52 amendment. Question number 19, the concept of judicial review in the Indian Constitution is borrowed from which country? United States of America. Question number 20, the directive principle of state policy are non-justiciable. Which article mention these features? Article 36. Question number 21, the first session of the Indian National Congress in 1885 was held at Bombay. Question number 22, who founded the Arya Samaj in 1875? Dayanand Saraswati. Question number 23, the Ilbert Bill controversy occurred during the tenure of which viceroy? Option B is the right answer, Lord Ripon. Question number 24, the slogan Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it was given by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Question number 25, the Simon Commission was boycotted because it had no Indian members. Everyone knows, सभी जानते हैं कि इसका बहिष्कार किया गया था क्योंकि इसमें कोई भी सदस्य भारतीय नहीं था. Question number 26, the non-cooperation movement was called off by Gandhi after which incident? Chora Chori incident 1922. Question number 27, the Indian National Army INA was recognized by Subhash Chandra Bose in which country? Singapore. Question number 28, which isotope is commonly used for dating archaeological finds? Radiocarbon dating. ऑप्शन बी इज द राइट आंसर, कार्बन 14. ये बताओ मुझे आइसोटोप होता क्या है? प्रोटीन की समान संख्या लेके न्यूट्रॉन की भिन्न संख्या वाले परमाणुओं को आइसोटोप कहा जाता है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 29, द फंक्शनल यूनिट ऑफ द किडनी इज कॉल्ड nephron. Question number 30, which part of brain regulates body temperature and hunger? Hypothalamus. Question number 31, the rate of chemical reaction is increased by removing a catalyst. Question number 32, which vitamin is water soluble and not stored in the body? Vitamin B complex. Question number 33, which disease is caused by the deficiency of iodine? Goiter. Okay. Question number 34, which gas is released during photosynthesis? Option A, oxygen is the right answer. Question number 35, what is the main component of biogas? Option B, methane. Question number 36, who is the current Chief Justice of India? Justice B.R. Gavai. Question number 37, who is the current chairperson of Rajya Sabha? Jagdeep Dhankad. Question number 38, who is the governor of the Reserve Bank of India? Uh, Sanjay Malhotra. Question number 39, who is present Chief Election Commissioner of India? Ganesh Kumar. Question number 40, who is current Speaker of the Lok Sabha? Om Birla. Question number 41, which article of the Indian Constitution established the Supreme Court of India? Article 124. Question number 42, what is the retirement age of a Supreme Court judge in India? 65 years. Question number 43, the collegium system in appointments is related to appointment of Supreme Court and High Court judges. Question number 44, which Indian state is known as the land of five rivers, popular for cultural tourism? Punjab. Question 45, the Incredible India campaign was launched by which ministry? Ministry of Tourism. Question number 46, which city is widely known as the yoga capital of the world, attracting tourists globally? Rishikesh. Question number 47, the Ajanta and Ellora caves are located in? Option C, Maharashtra. Question number 40, the Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue, is a major tourist attraction in? Gujarat. Question number 49, Mushroom City is India in? Himachal Pradesh. Question number 50, the Himachal Pradesh High Court was established in 1971. Question number 51, the Chief Justice of High Court is appointed by the President of India. Question number 52, the first Chief Justice of Himachal Pradesh High Court was Justice M.H. Beg. Question number 53, who became the first Indian woman to win a Olympic medal in wrestling? Sakshi Malik. Question number 54, the first Indian cricketer to score a double century in a one-day international? Sachin Tendulkar. Question number 55, the Khelo India Youth Games were launched by the Government of India 2018. Question number 56, which organ in the human body is primarily responsible for filtering blood? Kidney. Question 57, the smallest bone is in the human body is found the here? कान में होती है सबसे छोटी हड्डी. Question number 58, which part of the brain controls balance and coordination? Cerebellum. Question 59, the largest internal organs of the human body is liver. Question number 60, red blood cells are primarily produced in bone marrow. Question number 61, the green revolution in India was mainly associated with wheat. Question number 62, soil erosion can be prevented by which method? Contra plowing. Question number 63, which Indian state is the largest producer of sugarcane? Uttar Pradesh. Which mission aims to provide tap water connection to all rural households? Option B is the right answer, Jal Jeevan Mission. 65. The Ayushman Bharat PM Jan Arogya Yojana offers health insurance coverage to eligible families up to 5 lakh per month family. Okay. Question number 66. What does the IP address identify in a computer network? The unique device on the network. Question number 67. What is the role of an operating system in a computer? Manage hardware and software resources. Question number 68. What does phishing refer to in the context of cybersecurity? Sending fake emails to steal personal data. Question number 69. 69. Which of these is an open source operating system? Option B is the right answer, Linux. Question number 70. Which of the following is not a function of a web browser? Displaying HTML content. Question number 71. If the price of a shirt is increased from rupees 500 to 2575, what is the percentage increase? 15%. Which regulatory body is responsible for regulating the security market in India? SEBI. Question number 73. What is the full form of the NSE, National Stock Exchange? Question number 75. What is the scientific name of the apple? Melis domestica. Question number 75. Which of the following is the primary psychoactive compound found in alcoholic beverage? Ethanol. Which of the following can be used evidence for alcohol consumption while driving under the Motor Vehicle Act? सही आंसर हो जाएगा इसका ऑप्शन ए, breathalyzer test. Question number 77. The Sundarbans is located in which part of India? West Bengal. Question number 78. The Thar Desert is primarily located in which of the following Indian state? Rajasthan. Question number 79. What is the scientific name of Himalayan cedar? Citrus deodara. Question number 80. The Nalanda University, one of the ancient world's greatest centers of learning, was founded during the reign of ruler. Option is the right answer, Kumargupta first. Question number 81. What mass is used to remember the order of the operations in mathematics? Which of the following correctly represented the full form of word mass? Break. Option is the right answer. Brackets, orders, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Question number 82. What does machine learning refer to in AI? The ability of a computer to learn from data without being programmed again and again. Question number 83. What is the study of weather and atmosphere known as? Meteorology. Question number 84. Which branch of science is concerned with the study of motion, force and energy? Physics. Question number 85. Which dam is built on the Satluj River in Himachal Pradesh? Bhakra Dam. Question number 86. Which Himachal town is known as the Queen of Hills? Shimla. The Great Himalayan National Park is located which district? Kullu. Which famous fair is celebrated in Bilaspur district of HP? Nalwadi Fair. Question number 89. Who founded the princess state of Chamba? Meru Barman. Question number 90. What is the name of the highest peak in Himachal Pradesh? Shila. Question number 91. Who was the first woman governor of Himachal Pradesh? Sheila Kaul. Question number 92. The Bhuri Singh Museum is located in Chamba. Question number 93. The Kangra paintings belongs to which school of art? Pahadi Painting School. Question number 94. Which Himachal district is famous for trout fishing, farming? Option D is the right answer, Bilaspur. Who appoints the Chief Justice of High Court? President of India. Question number 96. Which pass lies between Lahore and Spiti? Kunjumla. Question number 97. Which shape has only one pair of parallel sides? Trapezium. Question number 98. A circle has radius 3 centimeter. What is the area? 18.84 centimeter. Question number 99. What is the area of a triangle with base 8 centimeter and height 5 centimeter? Option is the right answer, 20 centimeter. Area of triangle कैसे निकलता है? Area is equal to 1/2 into base into height. उसके बाद आपका आंसर निकल जाएगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 100. Which of the following the Pythagoras theorem proving correctly? Example. Option B is the right answer. In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square. ये देखा हमने आज का क्वेश्चन पेपर हाई कोर्ट का. बहुत ही इजी क्वेश्चन पूछे गए थे.